Okay. The next thing is, when you had the ball in the box, whoever was doing the ball in the box, your dog turned right, again, you had this on the wrong side. It has to be on the side that the dog turns, so she can't take an extra step. But you had somebody basically stepping in right here, so the dog hit, and then they came out to get those back feet up. You are actually, if you're standing here in the middle, you're like a pylon. Okay, so which means there's no way your dog can hit and come off where she was standing in the middle. That's where your dog needs to land. So you were causing the dog to hit wide and come off wide. Okay, the dog was hitting, coming off, and taking that extra step I was talking about. And you had this again on the wrong side. The back end, that was on the back end. It needs to be on the side that the dog actually turns. Keep them in tight. What you're going to do when the ball's in, you're going to take that person out, you're going to put a leg in. Okay? Leg in, dog comes in, hits, gets the ball in the box, that person's going to come out. Okay? And they're not going to walk through or stand in like a pylon. We're going to push the dog out by like this, so it sets himself up, hits, then the dog will have no choice but to hit right here. Okay?